In 3, 2, 1. No shot.
Okay, hit me 3 times.
Grenade. Cutter, boost. Infiltrator on me. I'm off here. This is fucking so unfortunate.
Yeah. Oh.
It might be okay, it might come this way.
Just stay inside the white line.
I think.
Counting.
Oh, come on.
Power shots.
And that was going back that way.
Getting penetrated.
I'm off here. Let's go outside. So don't that. Speed like your turn. Inside shield. Actually, Jamie, go here. What's that?
Let's not stay too close.
Okay, bull now. Push that. Nice. Keep going in flare.
That was a huge push.
Okay, distance.
And that red line.
Great.
This one does not want to go.
Some of them don't. It's almost as if like there's a certain threshold.
What do you mean, some sort of hidden mechanic?
Like,
Okay, start to shoot me.
because sometimes they don't go.
Like
Okay.
a bug, you
And
mean?
if there's something that triggers it.
I'll point him to the lake.
He's on 6 stacks and 51%.
Found him. It's 66 and 36% stop the case. He's taking shot on me. Oh guys, make it. Fuck. Infiltrated. Okay, now be ready to stop DPS. Stop DPS, stop DPS.
Take him down to
No, we're
to-
not-
Stop DPS, stop
Take him down
DPS,
to right
stop
way.
DPS.
Okay.
We have dots.
I have diversion, but I have.
And now just kill him.
Oh, shot
No,
volley.
no,
Kill him.
kill him.
Okay.
Nice. We should rest.
Map yours, I don't have.
My friends.
You're going this side, Rin?
Yeah, it's not matters.
Radler was supposed
Don't
to
him.
get rid of
Level
her
call.
ages ago. Poor thing, barely even
I
fits
can't
in
taunt
that
it.
tiny pond.
Okay, taunted. Overrest, swap.
Hunting?
Guys, if you can go closer to us. Or AOE heal.
Can we all stack up or no?
Yeah,
Oh,
Pulp
nice.
rise.
found him. Did you use post rest? We should rest gem.
No, I don't have.
Okay,
I'll purge my stacks at 6.
overrest.
I've got sniper shield in 3 seconds, so I use it on call.
Yes.
Coming up. And,
Oh, I'm not sure how I survived it, but
I'm telling you just move.
Yes! Nice.
that's cool, thank you. Chivo!